Okay, what we're going to do here is an example of ungraphing, but just using the 3 changes. We are not doing any horizontal shifts yet. So here we actually have the function. What we want to do is draw a frame. Now normally I like to go from top to top, but I can see here that I can't really tell where the tops are over here, whereas this bottom right here is very, very clear to me. So what I want to do is draw a frame. I just have a frame that's built in like this. And what I'm going to do is just start making some notes. Let's see, note number 1, I just want the top and the bottom. See, the top is at 60. The bottom is at 46, I think. That's weird. Okay, 46. Yes. So the middle will be at 60 plus 46 divided by 2. I think that's 53. So the middle line should be 53. Now I should just do this. I don't really have to do this, but let's just put it y equals 53, and sure enough, that looks like a good middle line. All right. So what I'm going to do next is try to find the amplitude. I want to add a note so we can see the amplitude. The amplitude. Remember, the amplitude is just the distance between the middle and the top. The amplitude is just going to be 60 minus 53, so that's just 7, so that's not so bad. Now I want to find the width of the box. Let's put a little note here, like this. I want the width. How about do we say the width of the? And I just ruined my note. Try this again. Right, the width of the box of the frame is equal to 2 times pi divided by, yes, that number k that I don't know. All right, and we need to find k. Now, how wide is this box? Well, the box starts at 0. If I click over here just to get an idea, will it give me that dot? It will. It says it's at 1546, so the width is actually 15. So I'm going to say 15 like this. So I'm going to solve for k. So k is going to be 2 pi divided by 15. Now, we should have everything in place. Let's just put the normal equation for this. It's normally something like y equals a plus b times the sine. We're not doing any horizontal shifts yet, so k times t. We sometimes use c there instead. Now, that was just a note, so let's actually put in the real one. So y equals the middle line, which we decided was 53, plus 7. This actually should be cosine because I did a cosine graph, not a sine graph. All right, so I'm going to say cosine of, what do I want? I want 2 pi divided by 15 times t, like that. And I didn't get that graph, and I wanted to explain why. This was actually one bad thing I did on purpose. Yes, you can see that the graph that I typed in starts at the top of the frame and ends at the top of the frame. But the frame I chose has the cosine starting at the bottom of the frame and ending at the bottom of the frame. In other words, the graph I want is the graph I gave flipped over. Now to flip over the graph, I need to come over here and change this plus, you can see way over here, to a minus, like that. And then the two graphs completely coincide, and you can see that we have finally found the correct graph just by knowing what the equations look like. Now let's just go change this to cosine so you can actually look at it and see where we came from. But that's the whole thing. Ungraphing a trig function is one of the easiest things we do all semester, and it makes everybody happy when we can do it.